Hey guys, this is Blink outdoor cameras. I want to show you how to set this camera up. First of all, you need to go to your Play Store, download Blink app, install it on your mobile phone. While this is getting ready, another thing to do is you need to take the sync model, connect it to the power. Showing us blue light. Then open the app, create account or sign in. If you select create account, then you need to select your country. Then you scroll down to select. Once you select the country, then you select next. Then select OK. Then put your email address. Then select next. Then you create a password and also retype the password. Then select create account. Then you need to verify your email address. Enter the code they sent to your email address. So you go to your email address and get the code. So once you put the code, then you select verify to protect your account with your phone. Then you put your phone number. Once you put your phone number, then you select receive code by text. Then you select next. Then they will send the code to your mobile phone. Then you select verify. Blink Amazon. Let's link your Blink and Amazon account. I don't want to link Blink and Amazon. You can see this is flashing and also showing us a yellow light. Blink, protect what matters to you. Affordable smart home security camera. Select allow. Then you will see this shop Blink home clips settings. Select add. Then you scroll to and look the particular camera. So wireless camera, indoor and outdoor camera sync model. Then you select. If you would like to use the camera on your mobile device to scan the QR code, grant camera permission when prompted, or you can enter the serial number manually. Open the back cover using tool provided in your packaging, or QR code and serial number are located between battery compartments. So what we need to do is we need to open up the back. Then you open this. There is a serial number. So before you add your camera, you need to first of all add the sync model. So you scan the QR code at the back of the sync model. It will show you choose a system for your sync model. Then a system is a group of camera that can be armed or disarmed or scheduled together. There is a limit of one sync model. So you select create a new sync, then select continue, then name the system, then select continue. Blinking blue and steady green, device is blinking blue. Discover device, plug in the sync model and wait for the light to display. If the light don't display blinking blue and steady green for 30 seconds, press and hold the reset button. So you can see this is blinking. Then you select discover device, then you select connect to device. Blink will use temporary Wi-Fi network to connect your device. Then you select connect. Listed below are Wi-Fi network in the range of your sync model. Select the network for Blink to join. So you look on the network details provided, then select the particular one, then add the password. So I'm going to put the password for the Wi-Fi network for this to connect. Once you put the password, then you select join. Now it's connecting to Blink server. Updating sync model. Fireware, do not unplug sync model. So you picked up the sync model, updating sync model. Fireware, do not unplug sync model. Sync model 2 added to home camera system. Then you select done. If you look, it will show you the sync model is online. Then the next is we need to add the camera. I go to the back of the camera, then scan the QR code, or you enter manual. Then you select home camera, then select continue. Choose a system for your camera, then select continue. Looking for your camera, positioning your camera. What to avoid: waving tree branches and shrubbery, the sun in the sky, vehicle or pedestrian in the distance, visitors approaching directly towards the camera. Side to side movement is more easily detected than /back. So now it's updating the fireware on the camera. We show you camera added successfully. Then you select done. Then you select done. Here we go. And you can see. So the camera is working. Installing the battery on the other camera. So put the battery. So on the right side, negative on the bottom, the positive on the top on the right side, negative on the top on the left, and the positive on the bottom. Then put the cover back. So the next thing to do, you need to select add. Then you select camera again. Then scan the QR code for the second camera. So scan the QR code. Then you select home camera. Select continue. Now it's looking for the camera. Looking for the camera. Updating fireware. Camera added successfully. Then you select done. And it will show you the first camera, and also it will show you the second camera added. So if you want to look on each particular one, so from the sync model, it will show you the camera number 1 and number 2 depending on the particular number. So if we select on it, and you can see showing us blue light. So this is to show you that this is working. Yeah, so this is how to set this up. So you can select save, hold to talk, and more. Then you go back, then select the first one. And showing us blue light and with the image. So this is how to set this up. So guys, this is the mounting for the camera. So we put board first to the wall, then we're going to attach this. And before you do this, you need to make sure you check the camera to check the view where you want to mount the camera. So this is what we want to do here. Mount. Starting it up. Easy. Then you put the camera and you will sit on top of this, and that's it. Blink outdoor camera. Thank you.